Hello my beautiful friends, and welcome back to another video. You know how they say ask and you shall receive? Well, that's usually for Jesus, but today I guess I'm doing that. You guys told me that you would love to see more. See, look, I'm already getting started. You want to see more chit-chatty get readies with me because you liked my weirdness. I have filmed so many of these that just like truly have not seen the light of day because I always go back to edit them and I'm like so scattered. I'm like, none of that made sense. You know, like I'll start saying one thing and I'll go to tell you guys something, and then I've been scurrying around a little bit this morning since I got up. I spent 2 hours starting laundry, dishes, meal prepping, some chicken, getting like the beautiful like fall October-ish kind of vibe going in the household, because today we are filming another one of our 31 days of Halloween videos, and we actually have guests. So I was thinking of different ways that I could make the 31 days of Halloween more fun in general, and also to save my face a little bit, because that amount of makeup, especially like special effects, blood, paint, guts, gore, not to mention I wear makeup, you know, for my actual job. I just really felt like my skin was gonna need a little bit of a break. So hopefully you guys will see several models throughout the 31 days of Halloween, whoever I can line up and borrow their face. Speaking about things that we put on our face today, I don't really care what I look like. I just want to look a little bit less dead. When I do go to film with her, she has like this like rich, warm like skin tone, and I'm a piece of paper. I remembered trying the Milk Stick foundation at the request of one of my friends from Sephora because, you know, I don't know, normally I'm not really a stick foundation kind of gal. I am the color buff. I've been trying to get buff. The most important part of today's makeup, which I don't even know if I should tell you guys like what I'm turning her into. Not that it's like a huge secret. No, I'll save it. But the most important part for her look today is actually going to be the SFX that we do. Guys, look at my skin. It looks like glass, which is great. Today's not about me. I mean, this video is, but the rest of today is not about me. That don't mean me can't look cute.
In case you're wondering, I have had almost 2 cups of coffee and zero nutrients today, okay?
So we are filming not only me transforming her today and cutting up part of her face, but then we are also going to be driving over to my parents' neighborhood because they have like a little creek, and we're going to use that for some B-roll footage. And then she actually gotta go because she's gonna take a test. But we will be getting together to do like a wine and wine, I think, for our channels at some point, because we both think that that would be super fun to like do an official collaboration. So that's happening. And then this afternoon, after she leaves for her test, and I go do some cardio because I can already feel it. I'm gonna need some cardio to chill out today. Then I am actually going over to another friend's house and I am going to be painting her little baby bump. I'm so excited. I'm so excited because the design that she wants is Nightmare Before Christmas inspired. And by inspired, I mean it is Nightmare Before Christmas. Okay, so it's gonna be super fun. I don't know if I can talk and do eyebrows at the same time. It's been 3 minutes. The answer is no. So we are getting ready for the busiest month of our entire year, I think. I am working a couple of different weddings, one of which my bride wants to be a fairy. Okay, I love that. Not like an actual fairy, but like very fairy inspired. So I am super duper excited about that. I've been picking up Halloween clients. So I'm just gonna be so busy. And in addition to all of that, I'm still working, of course, and then trying to accomplish the 31 days of Halloween. I know that I've talked about it a lot and you guys are probably sick and tired of hearing about it, but sorry, not sorry. I'm really excited about it. I think it's gonna be really fun. A time of great growth for us here. And yes, it is us because we are a little community. I need to eat something and sop up all this caffeine because I'm telling you, I'm tweaking, man. I've been thinking about making a video. Tell me if you guys would be interested in seeing this in any way, shape, or form, because I don't know. I think it's an interesting topic. I think it's a necessary topic. You guys know that I used to work for Sephora before working for Morphe, and actually all of my coworkers worked somewhere else prior to working for Morphe as well. From Ulta to the beauty counters in department stores, to also working for Sephora and even MAC. And we compare our experiences all the time, like the differences between, you know, say like those companies and the company that we work for now, the difference in like how the store is run, what the environment is like, what the culture of the people is like, and what we are pressured to do or not to do. Hello?
Would you like to let me in?
No.
Okay.
Are you at my door?
I am. I've knocked several times.
I can't hear you over the sound of my voice. Jordan, come say hey.
To your camera?
Yeah.
No, I don't. I'm not.
No, you're not a person today.
No.
You're really cute though.
I have some nails for you though.
I love nails.
Here you go.
Oh, you guys. Look at it.
Look at it.
I gotta show them a picture of your gross mouths too. That's beautiful. I will happily caffeinate you. Let me see when she's gonna be here.
If you hate them, you don't have to lie to me.
If I hated them, I wouldn't have been like, oh my god, Jordan, guys, look, look. Let me call her actually, because that's quicker. Because I will pause this video just to caffeinate you.
I know you will.
And maybe never have it see the light of day.
Mm.
Yeah, well.
Hey.
Hey, how far away are you? Because I was thinking about grabbing coffee.
Oh, you're good. I'm literally about to walk out the house right now. It's going to take me like 30 minutes to get to you.
Okay, baby, do you want me to pick you up at Starbucks?
Yeah. Can you get me, I'll just text you because I always forget.
Okay, no problem. Jordan,
Okay.
we're going to Starbucks. I'll be back for you beautiful people.
What do you want me to say?
Oh, we're just saying hey. You're gonna pop into this?
Oh, it's recording.
Yeah, no, we are recording. All right, so this is my model and friend, CHAINTI ANIYA. I told you guys about her earlier. She's going to be in a Halloween video, which you guys will see on day 7 of 31 Days of Halloween. And like I mentioned earlier, you should check out her channel if you like reviews of makeup, try on, and lifestyle hauls. You do kind of like a little bit of everything.
Yeah, I do a little bit of everything. Cooking, makeup, lifestyle, clothing, everything.
Yeah, everything. So don't forget to check her channel out. I will leave that link below, and you guys will see her again during 31 Days of Halloween.
See you guys.
All right, so as you may have guessed, it is the next day. New cup of coffee, nice wet hair because we woke up and showered. But in an effort to make this video a little bit more succinct, we are gonna go ahead and skip right to the part that I left off on yesterday. I'm pretty sure this is about as far as we got yesterday before I made a mad dash to Starbucks with Jordan, and then CHAINTI got here and we started working. So yeah, yesterday was super crazy, but you know that saying, busy is blessed? I really do feel that in my whole soul. I was telling Jordan on the ride back over, I was like, you know, I just absolutely love independent projects like this. I love being this busy. I love being this like almost stressed out of my mind just because I have so much on my plate at once. But I live for that. It's a problem. Went out into the woods after I had CHAINTI all in her makeup, and it was raining, which was unfortunately awesome, actually, because even though nobody really wants to be standing in the middle of a creek in the woods in the rain, it actually added a lot. Like, I feel like the leaves were so much more vibrant, and like the whole look of everything we shot, it was like overcast and gloomy. It was the most fun, like the most fun. So Jordan and CHAINTI, if you're watching this, thank you with my whole entire heart once again. I know I thanked them like 1,000 times yesterday because it was like, I don't know, every now and then you put a project together and you start working on it and it just delights your entire soul. And that's what yesterday was for me. I was like, just like that. Honestly, you guys, if I could make a mini movie for every single one of my videos, I would, because I realized yesterday just how much I have missed like working on a project like that. I really liked making the shot list, I think is what I've learned. And I don't have a background in film, though I have plenty of friends in film and have worked in film a little bit. I find independent projects like that more fun just because I like to wear many hats. It floats my boat. But I do feel like that is very much why I love YouTube so much, is because it is literally the whole thing. I woke up in the middle of yesterday night because my nose ring got stuck in my pillow pet's fur. And I know that that's like really sad and pathetic, and I shouldn't be telling you because I'm a grown lady who loves her pillow pet. I just do. It's so soft and I sleep on it. Clearly, I was betrayed because I woke up and I was like, I don't know. I told Jordan about it and she giggled, so I thought that maybe you guys would enjoy that story as well. I love how I didn't even put up my normal background today. I'm like, no, full on Halloween mode, y'all. I'm doing makeup today at 10 a.m. I'm going to go get somebody glammed up for their birthday. So that will be super fun. Renee, hi, hello, love you. Happy birthday, even though it was yesterday, but we're celebrating today. So I'm gonna go do some makeup and then I am going to rush over to the gym because I told my little brother that I would pick him up from school today and take him to go get a smoothie at 3. So we're gonna makeup, gym, smoothie with a little bro. And I'm gonna hang out with him for a little bit this afternoon. And then I'm going actually over to a friend's with Jordan because we are staying socially distant in our lives, but we're gonna go over to her house and we are going to all have dinner together, and I'm really excited because we haven't seen her since Valentine's Day. Yeah, we haven't seen her since Valentine's Day. Now I'm just like layering on things because I like to talk. Oh man, you see that? I wore this same combination yesterday, and as you guys saw, I was only able to finish my face yesterday and my skin stayed as glowy and beautiful and bright all day with the rain, like literally with everything yesterday. And so I think I have just found my new like holy grail like combination. Even Jordan was like, she's like, girl, your skin look good. I was like, thank you, I know. So that same lip trick that I did with my red lipstick in my Fall Vibes tutorial, we're gonna do the same thing here, but I'm gonna do it with this one. I didn't see Trendsetter in my drawer immediately, and I am apparently in a hurry and lazy today. I'm not lazy, I'm just freaking tired. Yesterday was exhausting, like in the best way. Not complaining. I would do that every single day if I could. Actually, that would be like, oh, dream job. The first one that I picked up was Date Night. It is like a plummy kind of color if I'm not mistaken, so if this looks like crap, it's literally all my fault for being lazy, and if it looks great, I did it on purpose. I'm not doing anything to my hair except for probably throwing it up in the best scrunchie in the whole entire world. It's leopard print. Love it. This is what we look like right now, and how we will look for the majority of the day. We will take off the makeup to go to the gym, and then we will put on more makeup, not really to hang out with our brother, though we love him. He's 10, he doesn't care what I look like. Those are all my final thoughts. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Believe it or not, I'm gonna go have yet another cup of coffee before we get this day a-rolling. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this kind of video, this style of video. Drop a comment down below letting me know what you are most looking forward to in the coming month. Love you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.